Okay, I'm going to attempt the little fence line across the back of the farm fields. And I'm loading my brush with brown and then dragging it through some white paint. So there's brown on one side and white on the other side. Then just using the chisel edge of the brush, I'm going to touch and make my little fence posts. And not sure how well this shows up, but you can see brown on one side and white on the other, which is kind of like an automatic highlight. So you don't have to do 2 strokes to get this done. And that was actually something that back years ago when I tried oil painting, that the oil painting instructor had taught us. And so my oil painting instructions, because I can't paint in oils, I kind of use some of those things with my acrylics and just hope that they work. This particular one seems to work. So all I've done is clean the brush and reloaded it the same way. And now I'm going to put the little cross pieces. So that it creates my fence. And the fence kind of follows that hill. And it's kind of cool, huh? It's just a neat, simple way of doing it, and just takes practice. It's just practice, practice, practice. That's what I learned from watching Priscilla Hauser on the Carol Duvall show years ago. That was her advice, and one of my first fine art teachers that I took a class from, that was her advice. So this section here, I'm going to do the same type of fence. And some of this is a little dark back there, and if it blends too much with the brown, you kind of can lose the fence post, but I try to make them show up as best I can. But reload the brush with color, and all I'm doing is mixing those 2 shades of brown with the least little bit of black so that it makes like a black-brown color, and then touching into the white on that one side. So one side is white, one side is the dark color. And then just carefully touch between each of the fence posts to create, I don't know if they're called rails, I'm not sure what they're called, but just the rest of the fence. And there we go. So there's a fence on that side, and there's a fence on that side. And I'm not sure what all kind of little fields I'm going to, let's see, use this brush. I'm going to do yet. So, but I want to put in just a little bit of a shadow here at the top of this. It just helps set my fence down and doesn't make it look like it's just hanging there. And I'll do the same on this side. Just a little bit of the brown colors. And just kind of scrub in. There. Okay, I'm going to let those fences dry completely because I'm going to have to handle the center of the egg gourd a little bit more. And then I'll come back and I'll do some more on it.